Hey Shanisha, this is Jason with Virginia Beach Web Designs. Thank you for taking my phone call earlier and allowing me to send you this video. What we're going to talk about in the video today are three quick and easy ways we can drive more business to your website. The three things we're going to talk about are content, citations, and backlinks. When we talk about content, we're talking about everything that's viewable on your page here. The words, the pictures, the links, how the pictures are saved, what's behind the pictures, these little, yeah, that's awesome stuff. You guys are killing the content game right now. You have about 3,000, maybe 3,100 words of content on your front page here, and that's beautiful. What Google wants to see is anywhere from 1,500 to 2,000 on this front page, plus 500 to 750 on these side pages here. So you guys doing great. Website looks awesome. Wouldn't change a thing there. Next thing we'll talk to you about is citations. And citations is your name, address, and phone number in directories on the web. And directories are stuff like Facebook, LinkedIn, Yelp, or Yellow Pages, where your name, address, and phone number are inputted correctly, and people can find you. So you guys are sitting here at the top of this map pack right here for Plummer, Virginia Beach. So you guys are doing the directory thing right. And what that allows also is for people to rate you, which you guys have a very high rating here. So you guys are doing that correct as well. Or what you're going to want is anywhere from 200 to 300 citations to be able to do what you guys are doing. Lastly, we're talking about backlinks. And what backlinks are is it's when one website refers back to your website. So with backlinks, you'll have a referring domain and you'll have your backlinks. And it looks like you guys are killing that as well. My goodness. You guys have 264 referring domains, giving you 3,600 backlinks. And that's worth over 700 people coming to you monthly for $8,600 in traffic. So I can't fault you guys for anything. You guys are doing the best job I've seen. I'm gonna use you guys as an example for other clients. You guys have a good evening. Thanks for your time.